Here's day 3 of changing my entire life, y'all. So this is me taking my last sip of water at 10:45 p.m. because I had to be at the hospital to do some testing, got a chest x-ray and some blood work at 7 o'clock in the morning. So here go the fit check. Yes, selective listener. This is what I bought from the thrift store yesterday. I showed this in another video. And this is me checking in at the hospital. Y'all, they said they opened at 6 for the blood work. I could have came that early, but I didn't know. So here I am walking to get my blood work done. Y'all, I was super hungry afterwards. So they took care of me though. They drew my blood. I had to do some chest x-rays. That was new to me. They just want to make sure everything is cool for the whole asthma potentially and me choking in my sleep. So I had to get ready for that. And as you can see earlier, they gave me a snack, y'all, because I was just so hungry. So after they drew my blood, they gave me a little apple juice and a little granola bar. It was so nasty. I could have dealt without it. Somebody said you should have just waited till you got home, but it is what it is. So this is me getting ready for my chest x-ray because I just drew my blood, right? So let me put this whole little thing on with the robe, y'all, and it was literally just real quick, 5 minutes. So afterwards, y'all, I went to Fresh County Market and I bought some things like some squash and I'm just trying to get on my healthy, some okra. I'm definitely gonna make my okra water. I got some greens and some sweet potatoes. I'm just thinking of, okay, I already know how to cook. How can I make this vegan? Or how can I make this organic or healthy? I'm debating between being organic and vegan. I think I'm leaning more towards vegan. That's what I want to start off with until I make my decision. But I'm just browsing my options and I'm like, I already know how to put together stuff without the meat. So we doing that. I definitely want some mushrooms because I want to try that whole fried mushroom thing, kind of like chicken. So I seen this too. I bought this at Walmart yesterday. I'm going to compare prices with my receipt from yesterday at Walmart to see which one was cheaper. Overall, at Fresh County Market, I only spent about $20-something, so I was very proud of myself because I got a lot. And look at these chips. I found some vegan chips. Y'all, ChatGPT is my best friend. I would type in pico de gallo. I would type in, is this vegan? The chips and everything and the salsa. And they said, yes, I seen these dry herbs. So I was like, okay, instead of growing them, maybe I can go to the store sometimes for some things. Like I don't have to, hold on to that pressure. It's good to grow it yourself, but I know where to plug at just in case if I need it. So here I am, sped up, and I'm going down these aisles. I'm looking at the cereals. I'm just thinking in my mind. My kids love PB&J. I'm just like, is there certain things that I could turn kind of veganish and still have? I seen the sales paper, y'all. Look at the price for the watermelons, and I just missed the corn sale. That was good. And that 24 pack of water for $1. OMG. So we're eating these beans. I had a lot left over from yesterday. I'm going to make tacos with it. So here I am putting the beans inside of the bowl. And I'm going to pour some of the pico de gallo. It was so spicy, but I loved it. I love that kick. I ain't going to hold you. I love that kick. The kids love kick up in there too. And we got the Mexican salsa on the border. So I figured that brand is vegan. I looked it up, did some research, and I was so happy to find that. That way we can comfortably eat it. And it was so good. I did not miss meat at all. I could see myself really doing it. So here I am pulling the salsa. I have my hospital bands on still. I do feel a little bit weak with the blood loss. Y'all can see the Band-Aid on there. I love this cheese. Like I said, it took me a while to open up, the jars and everything, but it's all good. This was so yummy, y'all. Here go my son, he's taking his first bite, so I just wanted to demonstrate for y'all. He gonna tell me the truth, you know what I mean? So he tasting it and he excited to get all the meat and the meat. Look at me, the beans and the pico de gallo on there, and he like, Ma, this hitting. I ain't gonna hold you, Ma. You got something there, Ma. Look at that boy. Ooh, he said thumbs up. So now I'm about to try because I'm like, all right, let me see what's going on. My daughter, she wanted a burrito like yesterday. I let them choose between a burrito or nacho. So I chose nacho. Let me see what's going on. Let me see. You know, it was good. It was busting. I'm like, okay, he ain't exaggerating. This tastes different, you know. Even though we had the beans yesterday, that pico de gallo and that salsa, just adding that to it, ooh, it was busting. All right, so I had some oranges for a midday snack, y'all, and it was so good. And daughter even ended up doing my hair. Yes, come through with it. So this was the final result. We watched our favorite TV show, some crime shows. I love my hair. My baby B did a good job. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.